Welcome back, students, to my YouTube channel Learn Art with Shomali. Today, we will be doing how to locate missing item or frequency. Missing frequency. That means till now we have done that frequencies were given and correspondingly we have to calculate arithmetic mean. Now here, arithmetic mean will be given to you and frequencies will also be given, but in any class interval there will be a missing frequency. ऐसा हो सकता है कि आपको कोई एक फ्रीक्वेंसी नहीं दी गई है, कोई एक पर्टिकुलर क्लास इंटरवल. तो ऐसे सिचुएशन में how will you find out the missing frequency? Suppose the wages are given in the class interval 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, and 70 to 80. This is the wages given to different workers. So, corresponding to each class interval, we have the number of workers, or to be precisely, if we say the frequencies given. Now, in the first class interval, 10 to 20, 5 workers are there. 20 to 30, 3 workers. 30 to 40, 4 workers. 40 to 50, see, there is a big question mark. That means no frequency is given. Again, 50 to 60, 2 workers. Like this, the frequencies are given. Now we have to find out this particular missing frequency. हमें ये missing frequency निकालना है. तो हम कैसे निकालते हैं? जब भी आपको class interval दी हुई हो, you should know that we have to find the mid value. So here we have calculated the mid value, which is I have already told in my previous videos that you can calculate the mid value by adding up the lower limit and upper limit and dividing by 2. That means I'm repeating it again, L1 plus L2 by 2. This is L1 and this is L2. So the first mid value will be 10 plus 20 by 2, that is 30 by 2 is 50. Okay. Now, once we get the mid values, we have to multiply frequency with the mid values. So in the first case, we have seen 15 5s are 75. Like this, we have to multiply each mid value and their corresponding frequencies to get the Fm. In this case, we don't know any frequency, so which we have indicated by F. And if we multiply 45 into F, we get 45F. See, I have written 45F. अगर हमें कोई नंबर नहीं मालूम है तो हम क्या करेंगे, इसको सिंपली ऐसे ही लिख देंगे 45 into F, that is 45F. So in this way we have multiplied and we got the total summation Fm, which is 1765 plus 45F. Why this we have written in this way? Because this number is not a proper whole number. Here F is an unknown item which we don't know. So simply we will add up this with all the frequencies. हम बाकी सारे items को add करेंगे, all the 6 items 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to get 1765, and this 45F we will keep it as it is, adding with this number. So here also we will add up the frequencies. This is unknown to us, so this portion we will simply keep it as plus F. इसको हम सारे numbers के साथ add करके plus F लिख के छोड़ देंगे. Okay, and we have been given the arithmetic mean, that is x bar is equal to 52. If you look into the question, I will share the question. There you will see arithmetic mean is given 52. Now let us proceed with the process of doing or calculating missing item or frequency. Now let us continue with the sum of calculating missing item or frequency. Now you can see in the formula we have x bar, that is arithmetic mean, is equal to summation Fm by summation F. Summation Fm we have already found out 1765 plus 1445F. This is an unknown term, so we have kept it simply adding with this number. And summation F is 33 plus F. Why? Because this F is also an unknown frequency to us. So 52 is equal to 1765 plus 45F divided by 33 plus F. Now let us have a cross multiplication. We know this item will be multiplied entirely by this number. So 52 into 33 plus F is equal to 1765 plus 45F. Now if we multiply these two numbers, here we get 1716 plus 52. If we multiply by F, it becomes 52F, which is equal to 1765 plus 45. Now let us bring all the unknown items to our left hand side. So we have 52F already this side and 45F to this side. If we change the place of 45F, this plus becomes minus and it comes to this left hand side. And we have already have 1765, and if we bring the number from right hand side to left hand side to right hand side, this plus becomes minus. Here it has become 1716. Now let us calculate this portion. 52F minus 45F is 7F, and from this portion we get the value of 49. Now 7F is equal to 49, so F will be equal to 49 divided by 7, which is equal to 7. So this 7 is our missing frequency. If we put this 7 in this equation, suppose this is our equation, then both the sides, if it gets tallied and get equal, that means our sum is correct. So this is the equation. You can have a recheck by putting this value on instead of F. So this way you have to calculate missing item or frequency if it is asked in the question. If you have any doubt, feel free to comment on my channel. I'll definitely give you a reply.